Hey, my name is Javen. This is my final presentation for my media aesthetics class. I'll give a quick rundown of my installation setup. So we have a speaker as the main central audio component for this installation. It's coming from a phone, a Bluetooth connection, just playing songs, playing forms of audio. Right in front of it, I have a contact microphone that's connected to the ground. So it's picking up vibrations and audio signals that are coming through the solid material of the floor. Then I have that running into my computer, running a max patch that's basically using different audio frequencies and amplitude signals that are coming from the contact microphone, and then using that to control video parameters coming from the webcam onto a projection on the screen. The main core component of the project deals with this idea of music or sound transforming into like physical energy, mechanical energy, and that idea being picked up by the microphone. The reason I'm choosing to use this specifically is because I'd like to send this audio, what I'm doing with the patch, into Auto-Tune. Auto-Tune originally has this analogous origin. Mathematician who was operating on digital signal processing originally came up with the idea of autocorrection while working at Exxon, basically using seismic activity to create disruptions in the mountain and then listening to the reflections of it to basically find oil deposits in the mountain, and then later works on that sort of same autocorrection mechanic in music. So I wanted to think through sound as seismic activity and then use Auto-Tune to pick up different information from audio signals through sort of quote-unquote seismic activity that the contact microphone is picking up on. And then I'm using that signal to control the visual parameters for people interacting with the webcam and how it's projected on the screen. So you basically have an audio reactive visualizer, and it's kind of adjustable depending on the space. I'd even say the space kind of really informs how the installation itself works, depending on how many people are around, what the contact microphone picks up, what ambient noise there is. So this is the main structure for the installation right now. We're on a rooftop, so we're kind of working with the environment. I have the projector mounted on this pillar. On the side of the pillar is the main outlet. Connects to an extension cord where I'm basically powering everything for the projector and the laptop. The HDMI cord connects the projector to my computer, and I'm specifically sending the Max World object onto the projector, which is going onto the wall. On the other side, we have the contact microphone to basically some adapters to a USB-C port that's going into Max and controlling the audio, or it's functioning as the audio input. You can't see most of the patch right now, but essentially what we have is the microphone being sent to Auto-Tune as an external VST plugin, whatever you want to call it, and then that audio being sent to an audio to video, and then also a retuned pitch detection, which basically allows us to pick up the frequency of the signal and the amplitude of it, and then using those to functionally control various parameters of the webcam that's coming from the laptop. So the way the functionality of this installation would essentially work is people walking by in whatever the webcam would be or the camera would be, and then using that to interact or have themselves interact with the video aspect of the installation. Rather, the audio aspect of the installation picks up people near the contact or sounds coming through the actual ground itself. In this case, for this video, we're going to demonstrate using a speaker.
Work it, make it, do it, make sense. Harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power, never. Ever after work is over. Work it, make it, do it, make sense.